tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log into APEUni on laptop. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other web browser you prefer. In the top section of the browser, type in ap.com and make sure you type it correctly. Once you are in the APEUni official homepage, look at the top of the right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button when you find it. You will be redirected to a page where you need to enter your email address and password. Simply type in them and then click on the Sign In option. If you have forgotten your password or lost access to it, click on the Forget Password link to recover it or rest it. And if you have not yet registered for an account on APEUni, you can create one by clicking on the Register Account option. All you need to do is to enter your credentials and click on the Create an Account button. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.